Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit eyelets with our green machine. First off, we'll start with our cutting dies that you're going to need. So we're using 14mm eyelets, which you can see here. So I'll match that with a 14mm hole cutting die. So this is a gold base that comes with our gold base cutters. You can use a plastic base cutting die, that's perfectly fine, they will work the same. And this is what your top die is going to look like. So that screws into the top of your machine. I want to take some faux leather that I have here and we're going to punch a hole. Take out any excess and then we have a hole ready for the eyelet to go into. We'll take this die out and we'll swap that over for our eyelet die. So here is our base die. It is spring loaded as well. It goes into the bottom of the machine. And this is what your top die looks like. That screws into the top of your machine. I'm going to take our eyelet here with the shaft, and that's going to go onto the base die with the shaft pointing upwards. I'm going to take the material. If we say that this is the front and the viewable part, we're going to use this upside down. So we'll push that over the shaft of the eyelet. We can take our washer. Now these washers do have a slight bump on this side, so this side needs to be facing up, and that can go on the back of the material as well, over the shaft of the eyelet again, and then we just compress that down. So there's the front of your material, and that would be the back.